This is the Ningaloo Reef in Western Australia. This was the best week of my life. I'm up here in Exmouth in the northwest of Western Australia, and I have just finished the most epic week working as a volunteer on a whale boat. Now, I got to swim on the Ningaloo Reef every day and see lots of ocean critters up close, so I'm going to run you through how I got involved and all the highlights from my salty week at sea. Let's go! I broke myself in the head with a snorkel. Volunteers just have to help the crew, and the crew are super welcoming and supportive. The first job is to make sure the customers are accustomed to the gear, and then we go for a cruisy snorkel. And at the Ningaloo Reef there is plenty to see. Once everyone is wet and confident with their gear, we head out to sea to look for the really big fish. Ningaloo Whaleshark Swim does both swimming with whale sharks and humpback whales. There's strict wildlife protection laws restricting how many people can swim with the whales any given day. So volunteers only get to jump in to swim with the whales if it's not fully booked. But you're guaranteed snorkeling every day, and usually you will get a chance within your volunteer week to swim with the whales, and it's incredible. The skippers communicate with the planes up in the sky, which are looking around to try and find some good whales to swim with. Now, good means no mothers and calves, and they're swimming cruisily because they want to keep the whales and the swimmers safe. The other cool thing I love about the crew in this industry is they help their competition businesses. They actually let each other know where the whales are so that everyone gets a go. Okay, so volunteers do all the food prep for the customers, including morning tea and lunch. So we have to spend a little bit of time down this gully below the deck in the front end of the boat. At the end of the day, we have a little celebration on board with some champers and some afternoon tea. The tours cost around the $500 mark, so as a volunteer, getting to be out on the water every day is a pretty unforgettable experience. If you're thinking about doing it, it's definitely worth the time. And if you're thinking about going out on the boat as a paying customer, I would say it is 100% well worth the price. Swimming with a whale will be the highlight of your trip. I'll pop some information below about how I got involved in doing this. If you love the ocean and would like to get a taste of what it's like to work on a whale boat, I highly recommend doing this. And check out my other video from how I got up here to Exmouth from Perth, and hit that subscribe button to my channel Roxanne Taylor Media, and I will see you again soon.